Hey everybody, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day today. This video has been way overdue. A few of you guys messaged me about asking what I put in the vehicle and the reasons why I did it. So I'm gonna go through all the areas and show you what I got in. So let me bring the camera a little bit closer and show you what I got going on in the front. So right now I have the front end. The bumper is by Fab Forbes. The LED bar and the pod lights, they're from Rough Country. The winch is a Warn winch, a 12,000 pound. And I mean, honestly, this is the reason why I wanted to do it. I wanted an LED bar and I wanted a winch with some pod lights as well. You know, the grill is an aftermarket grill where we had it painted to match the vehicle as long with the headlights. So let's go around the driver's side. This is what I've got. I have 20-inch black Rhino rims, and they're sitting on the 37 by 12 and a half by 20 Mickey Thompson mud terrain. So there is a 6-inch lift on the truck. This is what it's sitting on. Honestly, I purchased the truck with the 6-inch lift, so I don't know the actual brand on it. That's what it has when I got it. So got the side steps. They're amp research. Believe it or not, this is something I definitely recommend you guys getting if you have a lifted truck, especially if you have a wife and kids. This is a lifesaver. And when you guys are going off-roading, you have rocks underneath and everything. The underneath actually helps it where you don't bottom out. The rocks hit it. It's metal underneath. We're aluminum, so can't go wrong with that. I'll be honest with you. This is a mega cab, as you guys could see. So I have the panel for the light bar. I'm still working on certain things to add, like the Wii Boost I'm going to add to here. And then I have my 30-gallon tank, auxiliary tank, for long trips that we're planning on doing. The seats, all the leather has been rewrapped by Catskins, and I mean, honestly, it's phenomenal. They did an amazing job. So the windshield, a lot of you guys people asked, what's up with the windshield? Why did you do the windshield? So I was like, the only reason why I did it actually keeps it warm in the wintertime and cool in the summertime. And people with high headlights, high beam driving, I just like the privacy as well, and it looks really nice. And now I also have the Pioneer 7-inch screen that I have added, and then I have my comms at top. I'm still working on certain comms to get, but we'll see. Within time, I'll be able to purchase it. This is how the mega cab looks like inside. I have an amp in the back with a subwoofer. Got the car seats in here. Also, this right here. So this is made by WeatherTech. This goes on the back window. I have it on all the windows. Honestly, this is a great product. I have it. It goes on the front, the sides, and the back. It actually keeps cool in the summertime. So when we have about 95 degrees here in South Carolina, it's honestly pretty cool in the inside the truck. And in the wintertime, I have purchased this about 5 months ago, so we'll see how it does when January, February rolls around. We'll see how it holds up, but I believe honestly a lot of people recommended good things about this. So let's walk to the back of the truck. So this is where my auxiliary fuel tank is and my regular fuel tank. So total of the regular one, I believe, is 32 or 34 gallons, and the back one from Titan is 30 gallons, and it's mounted right underneath right here where the spare tire goes. And I mean, as you guys know, I mean, with off-roading tires, the spare tire is pretty much useless, and it was an open area for me. Back down here we have the airbags. the airbags, air suspension for the truck. Believe it or not, when I'm in a hilly area or if I'm camping somewhere on level, I'll sometimes deflate the tires or inflate them, and then I'll play around with the airbags to level out the back of the vehicle where I'm sleeping inside. So back here I also got my Banks differential cover. I just decided that when I seen it, I was like, you know what, I just want it. Don't ask me why, but it just looks cool and I just wanted it. I also have a mag hype. I believe that's what it is for the deep dish transmission panel cover. Also did get that changed out. Apologize for the truck being so dirty underneath. I haven't power washed it underneath just yet. Then I have my Wii Boost right here up top, where it's actually going to get changed out, moved to a different location. So I went with the ARE topper. Reason why is just I like the way they had it matched with the vehicle, and honestly I got it with more secure, where it has a frame inside, aluminum frame. So honestly it does justice and everything. Got some lights in here. Let's see if I can get turned on. There it goes. 2 LED strips, and honestly they did an amazing job. It has carpet all inside, but I'll definitely get back to you guys and show you how the interior looks. I went with the Yakima road shower, even though I damaged it a few times already. Fell off one of my trips that we did, a day trip with the guys. I just went with that just because I have a family of 6 of us and we need a little bit of water for, you know, washing dishes and other things and showers and everything. So it's 10 gallons with 3 gallons of compressed air. I believe that's 60 to 65 psi. It's roughly about 8 feet. No, it's not 8 feet. It's like around 6.5 feet long. The hose is ideal, but eventually I'll probably change it to something different, more rugged. And I mean, it did fall from the previous strip, like I said, but other than that, I mean, I'm totally fine. It does get the job done. So this truck also has a straight pipe. I believe it's 7 or 8 inch around. So this is how it is, all straight. It's welded over there. This is how it looks like underneath. Also, I have these 2 inch right here on both sides. I got them underneath on the other side, and then I also have some right here, and then back here. Reason why I've got them there, just in case, God forbid, I'm driving somewhere and there's a cliff, I need to get winched out by something, where I could put my shackle in there and just pull myself out, or have somebody help me and pull me out. So I'm gonna mount the camera right here and show you guys what the inside actually looks like. So as you guys seen my previous video, when I had this installed at the shop, I actually put clear on here, 2 layers of clear coat, and I use the spray bottles that you purchase at your local hardware store. So I went 2 layers on it, I taped it all up. Honestly, it became smooth. Some areas I didn't do just because I'm still thinking on how I want to go with it, especially the cutting board. This is, I mean, a good platform to put my hot stuff on top, but I also have my rubber mat ordered. So right here, let's start in the beginning, like you guys seen before, if you guys seen my other video. But this is my sink, and some people said just leave it off and then you could add other things to here. And if any of you have any ideas what I could mount underneath here or do anything here, by all means put it down in the comments. So I bought this cutting board or sink on Amazon. It was around like $9–10. It has a drip hole right here, so you push this in, put it in here. It's phenomenal. Right here I had a grill, then it broke, and then I purchased a jet boil base station. That's a phenomenal grill. So it has room to go in here, and then for the propane tanks, they'll go right here for while I'm cooking or something. This is my cutting board. This one still has not been coated yet, just because I'm debating on which color or how I want to coat it with, what type of oil I want to put down, or if I want to buy something plastic and put it on here. Let me bring the camera and show you guys. So this is how it is right here. And this is what there's a little lip right here. So I want to put a little bit of either a plastic or some type of wood or something where I could actually use it for cutting board, so I don't have to ruin this. And this is my pantry. I'm still working on things. I mean, some stuff gotta go, some stuff gotta stay. But yeah, this is how it is. I close this down, and then let's pull this out. Let me put this back up here for a second. Push this in. This is how I would do it even if I wasn't recording, if I was cooking at, you know, a backyard or camping or somewhere. Well, there was a stranger that randomly showed up here, and he just wanted to chit chat and get to know each other, because he started some type of YouTube channel as well, collecting metal and firewood cutting. So anyways, back to what I was trying to say. So here's my other drawer. This is my maintenance drawer for now until I get my roof rack. And I believe it or not, oh, you know what? Matter of fact, take a look. Guys looking for some glass cleaner? Eds Auto glass. This is some good stuff, man. You got kids, you got hamburgers or burgers, hot dogs, and smudgy fingers on the windows. This stuff will take it off. I mean, it's streak free. I mean, I use a lot of the, I'm not gonna name the brands, but a lot of other brands that I use, they left some streaks. After a few hours, you could see some lines and everything. As the outer glass, this stuff is phenomenal. I keep it in all my vehicles. I keep it at home. I mean, it's good stuff. I'll also put the link in the description below. Take a look. He'll definitely ship some out to you. And this is an amazing product. So let's go take a look and see how the storage actually looks like. I mean, this is going to be my family compartment, my compartment, my wife's compartment, whatever. But right now I just have some tools, some maintenance stuff going on here. But overall, this is my setup. It's about 10 inches up, and then I have a mattress that's, I think it's 7-inch or 8-inch, and it's a queen short. So they say this is for a RV style mattress. This is what this is. It's a queen short. So it's an awesome mattress. It's soft. I mean, it's not going to be your Tempur-Pedic or anything, but it gets the job done when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you want some great sleeping nights instead of sleeping in a sleeping bag and on a small little air mattress, you know. But overall, this is my truck. This is how it looks like. A little bit more detailed video. I also have an S&B filter in the engine. Nothing really has changed in the engine wise, but this is the vehicle. This is Expedition Ram. My wife came up with that name, so I was like, you know what, this is a good name, and a good name for the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope to see you guys on our next trips, wherever we're going to be at, and hopefully I get to meet some of you guys, or most of you all, whoever watches and whoever explores the God's country. Definitely come out and let's enjoy the nature and everything. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Take care.